Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji in a second with Instagram application. Yes, you are not misheard it. With Instagram application, you must think that Instagram only can be used for uploading some content, sharing your moment, and finding the informations of the news. But the Instagram is not limited for that. You can even edit your picture with Instagram. How to do that? Open it, and now just take a look on this button features. Make sure that you are stay in the home section. You can just slide your screen into the right side, or you can also click this plus button right here to access the picture that containing the emoji that you want to remove. I have this two, so I'll let to pick this one. So here I got this emoji that's standing perfectly on this picture, and I would like to remove it. And the way to do that, just go click these three small dots, go click draw, and go click this pen type. Don't forget to adjusting the size of the pen by drag it into the upper side to make it bigger and lower side to make it smaller. Here I would like to have the bigger pen. And now the next thing we need to do is just go click this part to pick the color of the tint. So just choose the nearest area with the emoji, and you just need to start scratching the emoji, and here is the result. It's so smooth, easy, and really fast to do. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done and just download this picture back, go click this three small dot and go click save, and you already got the emoji removed. So that is the way how to remove emoji from your photo in a second. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next